Hey guys, I thought I'd just show what I'm gonna do to connect a hairdryer to this tube to be my forge, my fire bricks. Because the ones I've seen on YouTube did not look that good, so I don't know. Hopefully mine's gonna be better. But anyway, I went to Ace's Hardware. They have like much more parts than like Home Depot and Lowe's and stuff like that, surprisingly. So I got these here, about 20 bucks for these three, honestly. But they just, like, check this out. These just could hold on to that perfectly, so that's amazing. I could put a little rubber gasket in there if I want to get fancy. I'm gonna weld this 4-inch or whatever to that. And then this could attach and de-screw to this all the time. And that simply screws in there. And look at that. Alright, let's get welding. Here's kind of the testing of it. Very good after. So just started welding, doing the fun part of the job, and ran into a problem, of course. So I'm dumb. Didn't realize not for those. So you see what happens when that metal welds with the flux. I almost melted a hole through the parts I just bought. So that wasn't a good idea. So we're gonna try something else. New idea. So put the little gasket there. It's gonna be kind of held there, honestly, just by that. And then I'm gonna grind out these areas. And then I just cut these. So these are gonna go, there's gonna be a screw where the dot is because this metal can't be welded. So I'm gonna screw a weldable metal just so I could weld it. So a little screw right there. And then it's gonna be welded. Boom, boom, because this metal can be welded. Why can't I just weld right there? That would have been so simple. Alright, see what happens. Ah, damn. That's fun. That's what you get for touching a melting hot screw. Alright, well, we did it. After a lot of cutting, grinding, and frustration. We got air delivered to all of the holes. Good steady airflow. If this isn't powerful enough, I'll upgrade that somehow. Or I'll convert this 4-inch to a closed piece. I'll block it off and put an air compressor in there. Straight airflow. So this is always going to be detachable and everything. That's what I like about it. You could always switch it out. That was the purpose, because I didn't want just one, single motor. I want to be able to change it out all the time. So there we go. Got it attached. If you guys want details on where I got this, any questions at all, just let me know. Yeah, good luck, guys.